Good morning, y'all. Brett and Cindy, 10 Living. We've been watching a lot of videos with sweet potato slips. We thought we'd show you what works for us.
We're going to be using, I guess you can say, a commercially grown potato. It's not ours, so it's not as easy to make slips out of, apparently. We thought we'd show you our way of doing it.
It's what works here at Tennessee Living.
Now, we've seen the videos where they put toothpicks in them, set them in a jar, water in the window, set them, bury them in the ground. I've even seen them put it in a tray with a little water in the bottom, just let them soak. Didn't matter if it was in the sun or the shade, they still got slips. It don't work that way here.
Not too well.
So we came up with a different way. We take a potato that's already got the eyes, like this one. We take our sweet potatoes and put them in a basket, put them under we've got a dark place under our cabinets in the kitchen where it's dark enough they'll grow eyes, but it's not completely dark. You can see what you're doing. And a lot of times, most of them grows eyes of some kind. Even that one got a little one. We've took them and tried all different ways, but the best way we found, well, let's use this one.
Alrighty.
It's a big potato. I sliced where the eye come up off, just like you would a white potato. Like we plant a white potato, which got to be a little smaller. Our yogurt cup ain't big enough for that.
Oh, no.
We like our little yogurt cups. We do a lot of transplanting in them.
I eat a lot of yogurt, and I like the stuff with them already comes mixed together.
We just drill about a 1/4 inch hole in the bottom of it and let the water out. Put it in a tray, but just push it down the top of the potting soil. Of course, I sprinkle a little bit over it, try not to completely cover the ones that's already there.
Here, I'll show it to them.
You need to zoom in on that.
Let me zoom in here. Tilt it just a little.
Can't hardly see it. I got just a little bit over the top.
Oh.
I put it right in the middle of the cup. Sprinkled a little dirt over it. We just use a general potting mix. Wet it down just a little bit. It don't have to be soaking wet. It just needs to be damp. Keep the dirt damp for a few days. So far, it's worked out pretty well. We've got one like that. Of course, here's one like I put in there. It's got more than one shoot growing out of it. We're not big sweet potato eaters here, I am, but Cindy's not, and well, it's kind of down to me and Cindy now. One child's grown and married, and the other one wants to be grown. He ain't quite there, but he wants to be. He stayed gone a lot. I'm just going to plant a few hills for me.
Well, I did like the sweet potato fries we had the other night. They were real good.
But so far, they worked out really well. That one's been in there a few days.
Yeah, not long.
Of course, that one had smaller. It started out smaller, but that's why we do it. Simple, easy method. Cut off the growth, put it in the cup, keep it wet for a few days. Let it have some good light, keep the temperature constant, and you'll have slips before too long.
And you get to eat the taters the rest of the time.
Yeah. Of course, you got to eat that potato now. It's a good excuse for me to have a sweet potato. But
oh, yeah.
like that potato, the eyes are further apart. I would probably cut them off in little chunks. Make each one individual in cups. That way you'd have more slips. That and it had all the pieces on the end. It was just too hard to split them without possibly damaging one. We'll have a really big plant. You'll have multiple vines.
Sounds good.
I hope this helps somebody. I thought it was a simple, easy way after watching all the other ones. Might work for you, might not, but it works good here at Tennessee Living.
Y'all have a great day. God bless you.